What that's going to get you is the motor, transmission, belt-driven ECU. Wow. The belt-driven ECU. Motor, transmission, belt. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MRCA029. This is a 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood. Let me get the driver's door closed here. 175,000 miles on it. She was involved in a sideswipe collision over here. Landed her at the old salvage auction where we purchased it. Pretty clean unit. She did get a decent amount of damage from the wreck. As you guys can see, the left front fender is pretty mangled as well. 175,000 miles. This does have an LT1 underneath the hood. We are going to be selling this as a motor and transmission dropout. It's got a 4L60E rear wheel drive setup. What that's going to get you is the motor, transmission, belt-driven ECU. Wow. The belt-driven ECU. Motor, transmission, belt-driven accessories, ECU and harness. A little bit of wiring and you can get this bad boy running in your hot rod. We're going to fire that up here in just a second, but we're going to show off the rest of the parts on this car. Got a very clean set of headlights on her with the side markers. Check out that side. All of the chrome trim on the passenger side is going to be listed for sale individually. These are getting very, very hard to find. Nice wheel skirt here. Same deal with the quarter panel molding. That is in good shape. Rear bumper is very driver quality. The filler panels are starting to flake here. We're going to have those for sale and a pair of taillights. Let me put the trunk lid down here. It does not close. It's got some issues there. The trunk needs a respray. And a very custom LED third brake light. Kind of ingenious. I'm guessing the previous owner lived in a state with an inspection, and sometimes you just got to do what you got to do to get her done. Let's step inside here and fire this thing up so you guys can hear that 5.7 liter. Nice cold start on it. This thing has not been run all day, so that was just a 65-degree startup. Take a listen to that motor. 5.7 liter. I believe they make around 230 horsepower. Really good hot rod swap. Mason's going to give us a little bit of revs. I hear a tiny exhaust leak, so I'm guessing she's going to need a manifold gasket. Go ahead and test out the transmission for us, homie. Reverse. Drive engages right away. You want to go ahead and start testing the windows, Vanna White? All right, driver's side. There we go. Window regulators are a big deal on the B bodies. Right rear's a no-go. That one's no good. Hey, turn the radio on so I can see that beautiful power antenna. Ah, no radio. Okay. We'll step inside here. Let's test out the climate control. The AC kicked on. That's always a win. There you go. Those are all working well. Digital speedometer is working great. She's got a full tank of gas. I'm sure the yard guys will suck that right up. Seats are not in the best of condition, so we singled them out. The driver's seat's got a fair amount of wear on it. This passenger seat is going to be for sale. It's got some wear too, but it's still very, very usable. The door panels are in great shape given the year. Nice leather upper, still very soft, smooth and supple. Same deal with the rear. This is in much better condition. Obviously does not see as much use as the front. Gonna have that nice rear seat for sale along with this door panel. Let's check out the driver's door panel because that's always the good one, but usually the one with the most wear. Yep, very good condition. This leather will clean up there. It's just got a little bit of dirt in the cracks and some minor wear there, but a very, very good usable driver door panel. That is going to wrap it up for MRCA029. This was our 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood. If you guys are looking for any of the trim or moldings off of this car, we're going to have it all for sale. Like I said, all of these doors have good chrome on them. We're going to get it all listed for sale so you guys can purchase it. Not a whole lot to say about that. If you're looking for parts, hit us up, www.jnjautoracking.com. Give us a call at 800-425-1555. Ask for Pippi and tell her John sent you. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking, guys. Thanks for sticking around.